sometimes when you go to the big gear, the chain will end up sticking out here. And I think it's because the teeth are worn on this big chain ring.
Yeah,
and the chain doesn't quite want to go in.
That explains a lot.
It will go in, but yeah,
it's not
but
quite right.
It could go this way too.
Yeah.
Which is what happened before, isn't it? Because we
coming out.
we worked out it couldn't have gone the other way, which is where they normally go. They normally go in rather than out.
It happens pretty easily as well.
Yeah.
Changing from small to big is going too far over because the teeth are just some teeth are worn.
Yeah, it doesn't really mess up actually.
Yeah, and that's why I had the crash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
If you look at some of the teeth, we've looked at the teeth. They don't look that even. And I don't know whether it's a design thing or the actual wear.
There will be.
They are.
They won't all be the same. No.
The reason being is that they used it to feed the chain, and that's
Smart.
why they're not all the same.
Smart. Jeez.
So like this one here. Is very
Yeah,
pointy.
you should be in here looking, not me.
So this one here. This one's very pointy.
Yeah.
Exactly. I noticed that as well.
Yeah.
So I had a feeling that may have been the case.
On there. Yeah, here.
Yeah.
See, if all the teeth are like this, then it's definitely worn out. But this one, it's harder to see.
It's not even.
But I might have another chain ring that we can try.
Okay.
Just pop it out.
Okay. Yeah, some of that. Fun and games, yeah. No, look, I'm glad that we discovered that while I'm here. I don't want to go home.
Oh, well, yeah.
I'm in Doncaster.
Yeah, and exactly.
And then have the same thing. I'll be,
happen,
I'd be spewing because I had a massive accident because of that.
Yeah, well, that's what I was just saying to him.
I've got bruises all over me legs because of that.
And we were there, and then we discovered this bit.
Oh, what's
and
that
that,
bit?
well, that stops the chain from going down into here, which is
yeah.
where they normally go. They normally jump on the inside.
Yeah, because that's really close, isn't it? Right there.
Yeah, it doesn't matter where it is.
It's meant to be close, isn't it? It's meant to stop the chain from
going into there.
Right,
yeah.
right. Okay, so that's
I mean,
okay.
on mine, because mine's a race bike, it's narrower in there, and the chain actually, if you keep pedaling when it comes off, it jams there, and you're up for about a half-hour work to try and get it up out of there.
Can that cause a crash as well?
Not when it
lock
goes
up?
on the inside. When it
Okay.
goes on the outside, it jams this up. There should be a little peg in there. See that little peg?
Yeah, that'll
That
stop
should save you, but if you keep going round, it jams in there, and of course, that's it, away you go.
it. Okay.
That's why that little peg's there, to try and stop the chain.
I see. I was always wondering what that was. There's only one of those, is there?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but that's
That's
why
why it's there, yeah.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Check that out. So what chain and cassette have I got on there now? The new one. What brand would they be?
Shimano chain and
Okay.
a Sunrace cassette.
Okay. Sun rays.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Mate,
But I like the fact that they got
they probably both made the same factory, but they come out different doors.
Okay. And what's that chain ring going to be?
This is a Shimano one.
Shimano,
I'll see
okay.
if it fits. Since it,
Okay.
Yeah.
the bolt pattern is the same, but that doesn't mean it will work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The bearing compatibility can be a bit complicated.
Okay. Masters at work here.
The other one
That's the old one there. That's the new one.
We've eliminated
What do you call that?
a derailleur.
Oh, the actual derailleur itself is crap.
Yeah.
This is what happens when you have so many crashes.
And I mean, yeah, that's hard to spot.
That's like a hairline thing, but it's completely come detached as it. It's actually
Yeah,
it's completely broken. Yeah.